Everyone, welcome to our product showcase on the smoke alarm. This is the box with easy to read instructions on both sides. Inside the box, we have a user manual, mountings, and the smoke alarm itself. The smoke alarm is well designed with an LED light in the front and two smoke inlets on the sides. At the back, we have a mounting case which is easy to remove. This mounting base can go against the ceiling or against the wall. At the back, there's a 9-volt battery which usually lasts over a year and it's easy to replace. Now, let's test the sound. This sound is over 80 decibels, which makes it easy to hear from anywhere within the room. This product is well designed and safe for your home and office usage. Thank you.